What's up, y'all? It's your boy Joe. Welcome back to Mortal Kombat. The bonus episode. This is episode 13, Burst My Bubble. Rain assists both combats by summoning water spheres from the ground. Frequency and damage increase while progressing up the tower. Oh, shite. Really not one man for the job. I'll be back. Well, this may not be a soccer season, but I definitely kicked it off with, kicking off Alien's Head. So, yeah. And bubbles. I just love some good old bubbles.
This should not take long.
None will mourn your passing. Round one, fight.
What a dick thing to say. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I mean, the water. Here, come closer. You can block the fucking water. I know it was a little late when you say that, but I didn't know that. I went inside my own bubble.
Destroy him!
Because why not? Oh, what is up with the frame rate? See the frame rate on the blood? It was like laggy, the fuck. Oh, just soon. Yes.
Tor, finally killed Pharaoh.
Damn. Holy shit. Oh shit. I think that's 6 sweep attacks, right? Boom, burst your bubble. That was so delayed. That was horrible, at least. Pharaoh. Tor, finally kill Pharaoh? Oh, I think I summoned them.
To what do I owe this pleasure? There are what lives!
Round one, fight.
Ow, you bastard. Oh, fuck you.
Wins.
Ah, yes, tu única gay.
Good morning to you.
Speak your last.
Well, now I can't think of anything.
Round 1. Fight.
I tried to hide in my bubble, but then the bubble consumed me. It wasn't even my bubble that I got captured in, it was my opponent's. Choice, okay, boy.
Round 2. Fight.
Nice. I just thought it was a little nice that I did that. Oh shit. I'm trying to remember. Boom.
Tanya wins.
Did I get it? Yippee! Alright. Burst my bubble tower. If you enjoyed this bonus episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Stay tuned for more from the mainline Mortal Kombat X series. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.